everyone, today we're going to review how to create a comic strip on Pixton so that we can use it to complete our design challenge for today. To start, we have the Pixton website pulled up, and from here you will either need to sign up for a Pixton account or log in if you already have an account. If you create a new account, you may be prompted to create an avatar, and then you will be directed back to the home screen. Once you are logged in, you should appear here on the home screen and click the Create Now button to create a comic from scratch. You will then be directed to your comic workstation, and from here you will be able to build your entire comic. And so to begin, let's start by naming our comic. You're going to click on the Untitled Comic area in the upper left-hand corner of the search screen, and here you can name your comic whatever you'd like. And once you are done, click the red check button to save your title. I'm going to name mine Sample and then save it, of course. Now let's begin by choosing a background for your comic. Your workstation will already be opened up on the red background tab, and you can choose whatever background interests you. For my story, I want the setting to be a school, so I can type in the search bar school and click on the background that I like best. Once you click on the background, it should appear on the right-hand side of your screen, and you can always change your background by clicking on the red background tab and choosing a new background, and all other design features will remain the same. So now that you have a background, you can add characters to it by clicking the purple characters tab at the top of the page. From here, you should be able to browse through all of the available characters or search for a specific type of character in the search bar. For example, I will search for a teacher to be the main character of my story. Once you have found a character you like, click on the character to make them appear on your comic strip panel. From here, you can click and hold your character to move them anywhere on the comic panel. Once you release, the character will remain in that position unless you move them. So you just click, you can move side to side, you can move them up and down, however you would like. If you would like to further customize your character, you can change their skin tone and hair color by clicking on the White Colors tab. You can browse through the options and click on your desired look to have it appear on your character. To change your character's outfit, you should click on the Outfit tab, and you may either browse or search for the outfit style you are looking for. I am going to choose an outfit for a teacher. Next, if you would like to customize the facial expression of your character, click on the Green Faces tab at the top of your screen. Here, you can browse or search for whatever expression you are looking for. I am going to search for a happy expression. I can also change the actions of my character by clicking on the orange Actions tab at the top of the page. From here, you can either browse or search for the action you are looking for. I want my character to wave, so I will search for a waving action. Once you find one that you like, you can click on it and apply it to your character. You may also change the direction of your character by clicking on the gray frontways and sideways options above the action choices. Now that we have our background and our character is customized, we can add words to our comic strip by clicking the teal Words tab at the top of the page. From here, it will open directly to a speech bubble. By clicking on the pull-down menu, we can choose whether you want our character to have a normal speech bubble, a thought, a shout, or a whisper bubble. I'm going to choose a speech bubble. And then I'm going to click and type out hello to make my character say hello in the comic. Once you're done typing in the speech bubble, click on the blue check mark to apply it to the comic, and you should see it in your comic to the right. You can also add other types of words to the comic panel by clicking the light gray back arrow on the left side of the page, next to the character's face. At the top, you should see a long blue button that says Add Caption, and then you click on that button to add a caption to your panel. You can choose where you want your caption to show up on your panel, and I'm going to choose the option at the bottom of the panel. Then you can click and type whatever is happening in your comic. For example, I'm going to start my story by introducing my main character. I would say, my name is Miss Cece and I teach 3rd grade, and then once you are done typing your caption, you must click the blue check button to apply your caption to the comic panel. It should show up on the right. Now we have a background, a customized character, and both types of words in our comic. Next, we can add other character words to our comic by clicking on the purple Characters tab at the top of our screen. Just click the Add Characters button and browse or search for a character, just as I showed you before. Once you add the other character by clicking on them, you must customize them the same way you customize the first character. Colors, hair, outfit, faces, actions, and so on. You can also add speech bubbles to other characters through the process that I previously showed you in the Words tab. Finally, you can add other panels to your comic strip by clicking the gray Add Panel button on the left side of your screen. The same characters and background will show up, but you can change them to whatever you'd like through the same processes that I already showed you. If you like to change the focus of your comic, such as zooming into a character's face to show their expression on a panel, you can click the blue Focus tab at the top of the page and browse through all of the options. Again, you can customize your background, your characters, the words, the facial expressions, the actions, whatever you would like to make your comic tell whatever story that you want to share. When you are done designing your comic, click the red Done button in the right upper hand corner to save and share your work. To go back to the home screen, just click the red back arrow button in the left upper hand corner. If you would like to continue working on your comic strip, just click on the design that you were already working on, and then click the red Edit button in the right upper hand corner to take you back to the workspace. As you can see, we're back here in the workspace. However, now I'm going to show you my sample for the design challenge just so you can have an idea of what I am looking for. As you can see here, I have met all of the design challenge requirements in my introduction slide. I have my intro here, where I am introducing my main character and the setting. I am also using transition words to begin each of my captions. I have dialogue between characters using speech bubbles. And I also have a clear rising action, a climax, and a resolution. So now that you know how to use the basic features of Pixton, have fun creating your own comic strip.